I got more than one chipmunk up here. I think one's a little boy. That's not a good sign. Come on, Chip Chip. Chippy Chippy. Little boy's hunting for him too. Yep. Come here, Chip Chip. Come on. Come on. Get over here. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here. Come on, little boy. Little boy's standing guard on the back of the swing. Come here. Come on. Come on, Chip Chip. And there's the other one. Come here, Chippy Chippy. Come on. He's ready to pounce on that chipmunk when he comes in here. That's probably Boomer. Come on, Chip Chip. Get over here. Come on. Come here. Get up here. Come on. Come here. Get your peanuts. Oh, man. Wait a second. Come on. Come here. Grab your peanuts. Come on, Chip Chip. Here, Boomer. Chip Chip. Chippy Chippy. Come on, Boomer. Come here. Come on. He's gone. Come here. Come here, Boomer. Come on, honey. Come on. Come on. There you go, Boomer. Nearly avoided a bad fight. Yeah. Okay, Boomer. Nice, sweetheart. That was a close one. If those two got together, I mean, there was a knockdown drag out about a month ago, and Boomer hasn't been on the deck since.